M3 Partners, the very reliable business partner providing optimized and effective manufacturing solutions to your production needs. Enjoy challenging the best quality of precision. M3 Partners is prepared with the well-organized manufacturing infrasystem, which provides most suitable manufacturing options, including 3-axis CNC machines for high productivity, 5-axis suitable for the extremely complex parts, turn mill machine, and the like. By adopting the most suitable machining process, M3 Partners can build satisfactorily even those tricky parts with highly complex geometries. As a one-stop total solution provider, M3 Partners covers from developing prototypes up to mass production and product assembly. With international quality standard system, M3 Partners puts top priority on the high level of quality ensured with coordinate measurement system for stringent precision requirements. Experience M3 Partners' reliability and sincerity. Thank you.